Hiya, welcome back, croeso nôl, and welcome back to the garden. It's another gorgeous day today, beautiful and sunny. And today we're going to sing a song called Bach, Two Little Dogs. And these little dogs go running off into the woods and getting involved in all sorts of adventures. Without further ado, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd ar bob troed. Bach yn dŵad adre, wedi colli un o'i sgidiau. Bach yn mynd i'r coed, dan droi fferau, dan droi troed. Dŵad adre hyd y pillau, blawd ac eisyn hyd y coesau. Bach. Bach a'i bron y wyn, Bach a'i llygaid syn. Bach yn dal ysbiho, Bach, sut ych chi heno? Bach. Da iawn. Well done for singing along. I'm glad you were here to join me again today on this gorgeous day. I hope you're enjoying the weather, and I hope you're enjoying the rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye for now. Hwyl am y tro.